Kevin, thanks. As COVID-19 cases surge and vaccinations stall out, many states, including Utah, are seeing numbers we haven't seen since last fall. We currently have 295 COVID-19 hospitalizations in the state. News specialist Debbie Worthen is covering for this tonight. Debbie, we're told 99.5 of those in the ICU are unvaccinated.
Yeah, that's right. But we are also now learning tonight that one-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine may not be all that effective against this new highly contagious Delta variant, which I talked to one breakthrough patient tonight, says she's not that surprised since she had the Johnson & Johnson vaccine and she now has COVID.
I am vaccinated. I had the Johnson & Johnson vaccination.
Ruth Ann Haws feels like she has a cold. Her symptoms are not severe, but to get a positive COVID-19 diagnosis was a surprise.
I was 100% sure it was going to come back negative, and then it was positive.
She's one of 132,000 Utahns that received the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Some experts now saying J&J is only 33% effective against the new highly contagious Delta variant.
We're watching this very carefully.
During a press briefing today, Dr. Brandon Webb, infectious diseases physician with Intermountain Healthcare, says breakthrough cases involving Johnson & Johnson will be milder.
If they do have a breakthrough case, the symptoms are much more likely to be mild and far less likely to result in hospitalization.
That has been the case for Ruth Ann.
For me, the most annoying thing about having COVID has been the inconvenience.
And she'll take it. For others who are hospitalized, experts say 99.5% are unvaccinated, and the numbers continue to rise.
We're moving into another phase where we're going to be full again.
Which, according to Webb,
the reality is that the pandemic is not over. This is a terrible disease.
So what do you do if you're one of those 132,000 Utahns that had the Johnson & Johnson vaccine? Should you try to get an additional shot like Moderna or Pfizer? Well, the CDC says not yet. Just wait to see what happens. And as far as doctors here in Utah, they say the biggest thing for people to do is get vaccinated. The more people that are vaccinated, the better chance we have of getting out of this pandemic for good. Back to you.
That's the unanimous sentiment from doctors.